Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn words with the term Kaiser in it. Kaiser means emperor and is often used in everyday language. After having watched this video, you will know what words like Kaiserschmarrn, Kaiserwetter or Ortskaiser mean. Additionally, we check out what the abbreviation K and K means. So let's get started. The learning goal of this tutorial is to get to know important Austrian words with Kaiser. In general, Kaiser means emperor in English. If the word Kaiser is combined with other words, it usually gets meanings like great or awesome. First of all, let's start with the word Kaiserschmarrn or Kaiserschmarrn. Kaiserschmarrn is a scrambled pancake which is very popular by Austrians and by tourists. The one-to-one translation would be something like Emperor's Mess. Additionally, you also come across the term Kaisersemmerl in bakeries and supermarkets. Any idea what Kaisersemmerl could mean? Kaisersemmerl is the most typical type of bread roll in Austria, and you find it in almost every shop. Kaiserwetter is another word with Kaiser in it. Kaiserwetter has to do with weather. If the sun is shining and there is no cloud in the sky, we call it Kaiserwetter or Kaiserwetter. The next term with Kaiser in it is called Landeskaiser. Landeskaiser. Any wild guess what Landeskaiser could mean? Landeskaiser can be used for governor, but in a rather funny way, not in formal contexts. Landeskaiser. In a similar way, the word Dorfkaiser is used. Dorfkaiser is another word for Bürgermeister, and Bürgermeister is the German word for mayor. Dorfkaiser. Furthermore, I'd like to mention an abbreviation you may come across in Austria every now and then. K und K is the abbreviation for Kaiserlich und Königlich and goes back to the monarchy. K&K Hoflieferant means that this company delivered its products to the emperor, and therefore it was allowed to use the name K&K Hoflieferant. Summing up, we can repeat the words we've covered today. Kaiserschmarrn, Kaisersemmerl, Kaiserwetter, Landeskaiser, Ortskaiser. I hope I could give you some new words with the term Kaiser in it. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.